Okay, so today this little black box showed up. What I did was order my wife a little dirt bike from Orion Power Sports. It's the online store from Texas where you can go pick out a Chinese dirt bike, various sizes from pit bike 80, 90 cc's up to 250, 300 cc's. This happens to be a 110, I believe. I'm not sure what I ordered now. Anyway, pretty simple process. Go pick out the bike, any upgrades you might want, whether you want it assembled or disassembled. I chose disassembled. Pay for it, and I think it took about 2 weeks, and here it is in California in our driveway. The truck delivered it today. They actually had a hand lift for pallet jack rather, and wheeled it right in here. I was at work, but my wife was home. Anyway, it's not really a secret Santa Claus gift, but it is one of her Christmas gifts. That's also her 140, but she always seems to migrate to the smaller bikes when we go to bike stores. So, I mean, we go into a cycle shop, and next thing I know, she's sitting on a Grom or a Monkey or a Z125 or, one of the smaller dirt bikes. So I thought, what the heck, might as well get her one. She's kind of short, so even that bike is super tall for her. She's 4'10". She says 11, I say 10. But anyway, let's open this up and see what we got. Well, under the black plastic, we have a cardboard box. Orion RXB. All right, got a little invoice here. The way these work as far as obtaining a title, or I don't know that they come with a title. There could be another, like a bill of sale, maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, once you get your VIN number off here, you go back to their website and you fill out the application for a title, and then they mail it to you. So we'll have to do that after we get it out of the box and put it together. Okay, so I think I ordered a carburetor upgrade and a CDI box with a higher RPM limit. And I think it's supposed to come with 2 quarts of oil and a spark plug. I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. Box off. Looks like we have a bike in a box, or no, bike in a cage now with some documents on top. Let's keep going, see what we get here. Yo. Even has a spark arrestor. Lid to warm up so I can change the oil. You're filming. You're videoing. Time to crash. Doing a graphics kit on the little Orion pit bike. Before I put it back together, I wanted to show you. Let's see if we can even see it. I have the racing CDI mounted up in there with the zip ties. It didn't fit on the bracket where the original CDI was because it's much bigger. Let's come around this side. Got the Nibby carb on. Pretty much a direct replacement. The choke is way the hell up there now, though, so I made this, for now, a bracket. You push it up, choke on, pull it down, choke off. Much better air filter. I did a uni bit, drilled a hole in that boot and pressed that positive crankcase ventilation in there. Can't be polluting, you know. Let's see, what else? I guess that's about it. Didn't have to fuss with the jets on the carburetor it's from Orion 4, this bike. Bolted it on, adjusted the idle. She's a first kickstart every time. It does rev a lot smoother with that carb and that CDI, so there is a difference. Seems like it has way more bottom end too, which is interesting. But anyway, we're gonna continue on with this graphics kit assembly. I still have to take the fork guards off and apply the decals to that. Also mounted a rectifier regulator. Pretty simple hookup. There's two yellow wires coming out of the dynamo, and the pink and the yellow go to those. The red's gonna be your voltage, and the green is your ground, just to the chassis somewhere. Probably included in this video, there'll be a short video of the headlight laying on top with it connected to that rib wire. You can see that it runs as it revs. No battery needed, just the light just runs off the dynamo, which is interesting. Should be better than that little flashlight. If we put that on there because we were in the desert and we were thinking we were gonna go riding at night, so we needed something for visibility, if anything, I guess. Anyway, let's get this buttoned up. Okay, graphics kit installed. In case you're wondering, yeah, I'm going with a 14-inch fatty tire up front, and I ordered a 14-inch rim for the back when I'll be mounting the same tire in the rear. We have a lot of sand here, looking for more flotation. But anyway, the graphics came out pretty good. What I did was I ordered a graphics kit for a KTM SX50, I believe. And then I used a heat gun to remove all the Orion graphics, and I used them to make templates because the KTM SX50 graphics are very close, but not close enough. So you have to trim a little here and there. Anyway, it came out pretty good. I'm impressed. It's taken forever to get that 14-inch rim for the rear. I guess it's probably coming from China. There's barely gonna be enough room. But when I put that tire on the rim, I had this off, so I went ahead and put the axle through with that rim and tire here. And there was maybe a 1/4 of an inch gap left here with the chain the way it is now. So I guess if I have to, I can adjust back a little bit as long as the chain's not too tight. But I think it's gonna fit.